In the modern military world, aircraft carriers have an important role. Apart from being a stopover for aircraft carriers also have a central function for a country's naval operations. Therefore, it is important for a country to update its weapon system to maintain defense and security. This condition is of great concern to Russia, which is building a new aircraft carrier. The plan: this ship will become the largest aircraft carrier in the world. Russia previously had the aircraft carrier Admiral Kuznetsov, which could only accommodate about 30 aircraft. However, this aircraft carrier is more than 30 years old and is not sufficient for use. Hence, the importance of updating the aircraft carrier with more modern features. This condition is coupled with the unstable world geopolitical situation. Reported by Russia Beyond the Horizon, the concept of the carrier Storm will be similar to the latest U.S. Navy aircraft carrier, USS Gerald R. Ford, which is an aircraft carrier with a supercarrier classification that weighs more than 70,000 tons. The construction of this aircraft carrier costs around $1.8 billion to $5.63 billion, and its development will take around 10 years. The plan is for the aircraft carrier Storm to be included in the state weapons program for the period 2019 to 2025. The aircraft carrier Storm military technology and strategy will enter into service with the Navy in 2030 and be at Severomorsk base. Storm will have a fully open deck, in contrast to Admiral Kuznetsov, who protects himself with a variety of weaponry. It will be guided and protected like all 19 American carriers, with a squadron complete with warships and submarines. Military technology and strategy: the Storm will be a fully floating airport that can accommodate several squadrons of aircraft. The takeoff deck will be as large as 3 football fields. The deck will have 4 lanes of different lengths, as well as a combined launch system, namely springboard and springboard catapulting. The uniqueness of this aircraft carrier is that it can accommodate up to 100 fighter jets and bombers. Since Storm will not have its own weapon system, it will be guarded by 10 different types of ships, namely frigates, destroyers, cruisers, and submarines. In addition, the Storm will be equipped with 2 nuclear-powered RITM-200 engines which help it sail at a speed of 30 knots. The weight of this ship will be around 100,000 tons and laden with 11 meters of water. To support its performance, this ship will accommodate around 4,000 crew members.